Good morning. Good morning. I'm getting ready to go out. I need someone to show some love to these feet of mine. In the winter, my feet might get neglected because I don't want to brave the cold weather. And I've put this off for 3 days. I'm going to get a pedicure. That's a part of my self-care. My granddaughter will be my sidekick for the day. This is what my hair is looking like now after a few days of pipe cleaner curls, and I just threw that headband on the floor because that was on the back of my head. I'm gonna pick it up and let you see that I had this on the back of my head. I also feel like I need to shampoo my hair, so I might do that tonight. But I just wanted to style my hair today. I'm gonna run my fingers through these curls. I want you to see what I have though before I do it. This is what it dropped to this morning. You can give your opinion on what it looks like right now, but I'm ready for a different look. My hand is damp. I'm just smoothing it out, and I am going to slowly, because I know these curls, maybe this is what I'll do. This is just what I'll do, guys, for a different look. Just go through like this, pull that apart. You know, some mornings I don't know what I'm going to do to my hair, but I know it's not going to be much. So you get to see a different look because of this technique. And I'm going to let it go. I'm just going to separate easily, and it still looks a bit shorter. That's what I'm talking about in my previous video where I said it's like a bob. So I'm gonna just separate these curls a bit, and I'm sure it'll drop some more today before I have to Zoom with a group of ladies, because I played around with my nails this week, added a little something to it. Yes. And this is my hair for today. If you notice, I already have on my jewelry for today. So just tell me what you think or what you've thought about my progression with these pipe cleaner curls. Because this is the last day that I am even going to address them. I liked the idea of the curls, and I might do it again. I might change a little bit where I may not make them as big in the back, but I think my sides, I'm going to let it stay that same way. I'll probably use the same technique. I'm going to probably curl my hair in a different way for another style, but I like this. Thank you for all of your support throughout my journey, my Sisterlock journey. Thank you, my family. I'm going to now be calling you the Gene G family because that's how I am made to feel. It's great to wake up in the morning after a video publishes the night before and someone says good morning or comment. And I wake up early in the morning. I'm usually awake before 6. And sometimes when I look at YouTube, it's early. I have a great feeling when I see a comment early in the morning that somebody woke up to say good morning in their own way. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. And when I say family, I mean you. I especially, though, love God. God has blessed me more than I could ever know. And I thank Him for it. Have a great day. And I want you to stay tuned for the next clip. I will show you my outfit of the day. And remember, it's Saturday. guys. I'm wearing Doc Martens again. Yes, I'm loving these military style looking boots. This is my outfit of the day, and I'm feeling pretty good. Time for some self-care. Yes.